So what is that? Here, whenever you have the groups in the molecule having the mesomeric affecting and hyperconjugation and inductive affecting, so definitely what will dominate? What will dominate? The mesomeric effect is dominating over the hyperconjugation. Then hyperconjugation is dominating the inductive effect. So here see this methoxy group. This methoxy group, okay, OCS3. This OCS3 group, okay. The OCS3 group shows plus mesomeric effect. Plus mesomeric effect, okay. OCS3 group is showing the alkoxy or OCS3. Methoxy group shows the mesomeric effect. Therefore, it is predominated or dominated by the methyl group, which shows hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation. So, therefore, what is that? This amino group is present at para position. Para position. Okay, so you can say it is what? Para amino anisole or para amino anisole or paramethoxy aniline. It is more stronger basic than paratolidine or paramethyl 4-methyl aniline, because everyone, I hope everyone knows the methyl benzene called as toluene. Yes or not? The methyl benzene called as toluene, and these two methyl and amine group are at para called as paratolidine. Called as paratolidine. Okay. So more basic is what? Paramethoxy aniline. The next is paratolidine. Then unsubstituted aniline. The next is what? Paracyano aniline. Then less basic is what? Paranitro aniline. Okay. And next we'll see some other examples. Some other examples. You may be getting questions something like this. Okay. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ. See here, all of you. Okay, what is this beta? Anybody having idea? What is this one? What is this one? Definitely. Okay. The halogens are electron pair donating. Halogens are electron pair. Okay. The halogens are electron pair donating. What is this one? Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane means what? It is what? Alkyl. Simply shows a plus I effect. Plus I effect. Okay. And if you take this is what? Aromatic ring. Okay. It is phenyl, which shows a minus I effect. Okay. So if you attach this to NH2, both are primary amines. Both are primary because RNH2, ARNH2. Now, which is more basic? The first one or second one? First one. Because this alkyl group is, which is having CC single bond, no conjugation. Therefore, plus I effect, basic nature is more. Okay. This is minus I effect, basic nature is less. Okay. Is that clear? And next, okay. And next, see here. If you compare the benzyl amine, means here I will put here, this become once again aniline. Okay. And next, I hope you all know that benzyl group. What is benzyl group? The CH2 group. Okay. From the toluene. Okay. From the toluene, remove the CH3 hydrogen. Okay. From the toluene, remove the, see here. Okay. Both are benzene. With both, I'm going to write here primary amines only. Now, first is CH2. What is this one? If it is CH3 here, what is that? Methyl benzene. Methyl benzene called as, it is what? Toluene. Now, if you remove one of the hydrogen of this alkyl side chain. Now, this is what known as aralkyl. This group is called as aralkyl. So, the aromatic alkyl chain is attached. From here, the hydrogen is removed. The common name is what? Alkyl. It is called as alkyl group. Okay. And this group is called as benzyl. It is known as a benzyl. Okay, now to this, if you attach NH2, okay, NH2 means still having this NH2 means primary amine. Okay, now tell me, is this benzyl amine is aliphatic type or aromatic? It is aliphatic type. Okay, it is aliphatic type because the CH2 group, listen here, the CH2 group is connected to aromatic ring, where aromatic ring contain conjugation, very good. But after this pi bond, sigma is there. If immediately one more pi bond or lone pair is there, then this lone pair may participate in resonance. But here the pi bond, the pi bond and this lone pair, these are not in conjugation because separated by 2 sigma. If the pi bond and lone pair separated by only 1 sigma, then will be conjugation. Like here, see here, if to this benzene ring, okay, if NH2 group is attached, there is a conjugation between the, there is a conjugation between the, what is that, lone pair and pi bond. So in the benzene, this is what benzene and attached with the amine, aniline benzenamine. Okay, it is benzenamine. Okay, Nama, both are primary. Now, in the benzenamine, the lone pair and this pi bond and lone pair are in conjugation because separated by 1 sigma. Can you see this? So this lone pair is what pumped into the ring in conjugate mechanism. Therefore, there is unavailability of electron pair on the nitrogen. Therefore, the aromatic primary amine is electron pair, poor electron pair donor compared to alkyl, this benzylamine. So when you compare this aniline and benzylamine, which is stronger base? The first one or second one? The second one is a stronger base because here the lone pair and pi bond, they are not in conjugation. They are not in conjugation. They are separated by 2 sigma. Therefore, the lone pair cannot be pumped into the ring. It can be donated to acceptor. Okay, donated to acceptor. Is that clear? And next, very very important, what is urea? Anybody having urea idea? Urea formula is what? NH2CO NH2. This urea contains 2 amine groups, yes or not? NH2CO NH2, 2 amine group. So what do you think it is? It is what? Stronger base. Is that clear? Having the 2 NH2 group. Okay, listen, for the bases their strength is called as acidity of base. For acids, basicity of acid. మీకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి మాట. So the urea is believed to be what? Diacidic. Okay, diacidic base. But okay, but it is not diacidic base. It is a monoacidic base. It is a monoacidic base. It exists as monoacidic base, and it is due to the resonance effect. Due to the resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Because if you see here, what is group vector? It is CONH2. It is a amide. It is what? Amide linkage. Okay, it is having the amide, not amine. So what is that? Remember, the amides are, okay, amides are weaker bases than the amines. Okay, amines, though the amide also contain NH2, but amides are almost neutral. Compounds where amines are basic in nature. Why? What happens? This urea undergoes ketonal tautomerism by phenomenon called resonance. So see here, for this I can write as, so what is the urea? It is not diacidic base, it is monoacidic. Means it can use its only one NH2, which is using both NH2 diacidic base, but using only one NH2. One of the NH2 is undergoing resonance with the CO, okay, and forms ketonal structures. That is tautomerism. Okay, so see what happens here. So here the lone pair which is present on this nitrogen will participate in a resonance. So lone pair shifts here between the nitrogen and carbon. So therefore what happens here? Between the carbon and this nitrogen. There is a development of a new bond. Okay, and as everyone knows, this is what NH2, which is having lone pair basic, and it is what having the oxygen double bond. And everyone knows due to shift of this bond, okay, carbon becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around the carbon, there should be no 5 bonds, only 4. Therefore, this bond will shift over the oxygen. This oxygen will become negative charge. And still it is what? NH2. And this nitrogen is what? Positive. So, which can donate electron pair? This one, NH2, is having the lone pair. Therefore, it can donate. It can be acting as a donor. So, only one donor. Therefore, monoacidic base. Where this is what? Positive. No electrons. So, here, remember, simple. Amides are, amide, A-M-I-D-E. Amides are weaker base than the amines because amides participate in resonance. Resonance or mesomeric effect. Mesomeric effect. The lone pair is, okay, shifted into or pumped into conjugated system. Okay, understand? And next, we'll see some more examples. We'll see some more examples. Then obviously here, okay, just now we discussed primary phenyl substituted. Aniline is primary, stronger base than the secondary. Secondary stronger than the tertiary, as one by one aryl groups are increasing. Means phenyl, aniline, phenyl amine, diphenyl amine, triphenyl amine, primary, secondary, tertiary. So primary to secondary, as phenyl groups are minus I groups, the basic nature decreases in case of aromatic. So if it is here, see here, if I attach here, now it is NH2 group. It is what? Primary. Phenyl, okay, phenylamine or benzene aniline. Now to this nitrogen, if I replace one of the H with the methyl, it is what? Secondary. But remember, what is this group? This group is plus I affecting a group. Plus affecting a group. And to this nitrogen, two different alkyl or carbon groups are attached. Therefore, secondary. Next here, if I attach here two methyl groups, okay, now it become what? Now it become what? Tertiary. To the nitrogen, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon groups are attached. Tertiary. Okay. So here, these two methyl groups are what? Adding electron to the nitrogen. Therefore, they increase the electron density on a nitrogen of this amine. Therefore, this tertiary amine is stronger than secondary. Secondary than this primary. Okay. So this you have to learn. Practice all this. And on this, if you put NO2 groups, etc., then their NO2 cyanide groups, etc., then their basic nature will decrease. Ardhamautunda? Hello? Hello? So this you have to practice. Understand? Understand? So I have given you some important questions. If you have any doubts, you please make a call to me. I'll give you answers. Okay, because in first year book, you need some clarities for some questions. Okay, so for some questions, you can call me. Okay, beta. Next, I will take one more example. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Okay. Now, I'll give you one example. See here. Question it is, say base X is there, Y is there, amine, Z is there. Okay. Okay, 3 amines are given here, X, Y, Z. For the X, the pKb, let it pKb value is 10. For the Y, pKa value is given 5. Okay, please, good question it is. And for Z, the pKb value given is 2. And I asked, okay, it is asked you to arrange them. Okay, if it is asked to arrange them in a increasing order of their basic nature, means you have to use this sign. You have to use this sign. Increasing means low to high. low to high. That is, you have to use this greater than like symbols. Okay, we'll see what is that. The simple, what is that? pKa, as I told in previous classes. What is that? What is that? pKa plus pKb is equals to 14. 14. Okay, pKa plus pKb is equals to 14. So it is for this amine, all are amines only. Okay, for X, pKb is given is what? 10. And one more thing, listen. pKb is inversely proportional to strength of base. Means less is the pKb, more is stronger is a base. Okay, so always check for the what? Which one is stronger the base. So here already between the X and Z, X has more pKb, then Z has a less pKb. Then we'll see what about this Y. So what is this one? For Y, pK is given. So what is that? 14 minus pKa. 14 minus pKa. So what is this one? pKb. For this, pKb will be what? 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is what, beta? Yenta. What is that? 9. Okay. So now arrange them. Arrange them in basic nature. Okay. So less of the pKb, strong is the base. Therefore, Z. The next is Y, and next is X. How many of you got this? Z, Y, X. Mahadev Reddy. Good. Antena? Okay. Please practice this. Thank you. As time is up. Thank you. Your handouts, call me. So definitely chlorine halogens are electron donating due to plus I effect. They show the plus I effect plus Me effect. They increase the basic nature halogens. Okay. Whereas in phenols also same. Okay. Decreases for IIT. Okay. For IIT. Amaya. Thank you.